Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. In today's video, I will share a good news with you. That Folium iOS emulator for Nintendo 3DS games is now available in the App Store. Although it's cost for $99 at App Store, but after purchase, if you are not happy with the emulator, you can get refund within 14 days. After downloading the emulator, when we open it, the first thing we need it's required the AES keys to run Nintendo 3DS games. Now get the AES keys file, and then open the Folium emulator, then tab the AES keys. Then hit the import option, then choose the AES.txt file and hit OK. That's it. Now we can run any Nintendo 3DS games without any error. Now I will show you how to add the games ROM in the Folium emulator. Just make sure the games you get it must be in .3ds format. If they are in .cia format, then the games won't work. Now most of the games are in zip files, so just download any in zip from the App Store. Now let's add the games in the emulator. Simply go to the downloaded games and then choose the game, and then hold it to get the share option, then use your unzip app to share with it. Once the game ROM will be added in the unzip app, then simply hit the three dots, and then choose the option extract files or unzip. Then the game ROM will be added in the unzip app folder. I will do the same process with the second game as well. Simply hold the game file and then share it with the unzip app. Once it's added into the unzip app, then simply hit three dots and choose the option extract files or unzip. Then it will add the game in the unzip app folder. To add the games in the Folium emulator is different than the other emulator. For Folium emulator first, you need to go to your unzip app folder where you unzip the games. Then open the games folder, then copy the .3ds file in the game folder, and then you need to go back and open files folder in your iPhone and find the Folium folder there. Now open the Folium folder, then open the Citrus folder, then open the ROMs folder, and then just tab there and paste your game there to add the game in the Folium emulator. I will do the same with the other game as well. Same process, just copy the game from the unzip folder, and then open the Folium folder, then open Citrus folder, then open ROMs folder, then simply hold there to paste that game in it. Once you added the games in the Folium ROMs folder, now go back and open your Folium emulator. There we go. Now you can see both games are added successfully in the Folium emulator. Now you can enjoy your all Nintendo 3DS games in the iPhone and iPad without any error. Hope you liked the video, keep supporting, and don't forget to subscribe.